Excuse me.
Yes, please.
What is your name?
I'm Tree.
Doi, how are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm also fine. Do you like English?
Oh, sure, I do.
Okay. Do you know about present indefinite tense?
Yes, I know.
Okay, then tell me what is the affirmative structure of present indefinite tense?
Thanks for your asking. The affirmative structure of present indefinite tense is subject plus base form of verb plus object,
Well,
or subject plus base form of verb plus is or es plus object.
good. So, for example,
I go to school,
hmm,
or he likes sweets.
thank you so much.
It's okay.
Good. Then, excuse me,
Yes, please.
what is your name?
My name is Maisha.
Maisha, how are you this morning?
I'm fine, thanks. And you?
I'm also fine. So, do you like English?
Sure, I do.
Okay. What is the negative structure of present indefinite tense?
Thanks for your asking. The negative structure of present indefinite tense is subject plus don't or doesn't plus base from a verb plus object.
Good. For example,
Uh, I don't like chips.
oh, okay, thank you so much.
It's okay.
Good. Then I can see another girl. Excuse me,
Yes.
what is your name?
My name is Oshisha.
Oshi, good morning.
Good morning.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm also fine. Do you like English?
Oh, sure, I do.
Okay. What is the interrogative structure for present indefinite tense?
Thanks for your asking. The interrogative structure of present indefinite tense is do or does plus subject plus base form of verb plus object plus question mark.
Question mark. Okay. For example,
Do you go to school?
good. Thank you so much.
It's okay.
Good. This time we can say another girl. Hello, excuse me.
Yes, please.
Uh, Good morning.
Good morning.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
What is your name?
I'm Nidhi.
Miss Nidhi, do you like English?
Yes, I do.
Okay. What are the negative question structures for present indefinite tense?
Thanks for asking. There are two negative question structures for present indefinite tense. They are if subject is pronoun, then do or does plus subject plus not plus base form of verb plus object plus and plus question mark. If subject is noun, then do or does don't or doesn't plus subject plus given plus base form of verb plus object plus question mark.
Well, so for example,
Doesn't Maisha go to school?
hmm,
And does he not go to school?
good. Thank you so much.
Is fine.
Good. Dear student, today's class is closed. Next class we shall discuss about past indefiniteness. Okay? So have a good time. Keep distance. Okay. Thank you. Bye.